Hello friends, welcome back to Vyapar Learning Hub. In a business, every order and its payment counts. But what if you can't deliver everything at once? With partial sales order, you don't have to convert the entire order at a time. To create a partial sales order, start by adding your sales order, either by clicking the button or using the shortcut Alt plus F. After this, you need to put in the details of the sale. For example, we are putting in 20 bulbs of 100 rupees each. When some items are delivered, you can generate an invoice just for those products. And when you try to save the invoice, you'll be prompted with a convert to partial option. The status of that sale order will be partially open. And once you have the stock, deliver more and generate additional invoices for the same partially open sales order. You can use the drop-down to view all the invoices. If a sales order is created with an advance amount received, the app does not allow it to be converted. If we try to bulk convert 3 sales orders under the same customer name, and one of them is a partial sales order, the app won't allow the partial sales order to be included in a bulk conversion. When a sales order of 10 bulbs is created, those 10 bulbs are moved to reserved quantity and remain reserved until the sales order is completed. View the status reports of sales orders and filter them as per your needs. One can also access sales orders in the report section using these same filters. This ensures you never lose track of pending deliveries and never miss out on pending payments. Just smarter order management with Vyapar's partial sales order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel.